Welcome to the introduction to Surah Al-Qasas, which means the stories. This video, derived from Tafhim al-Quran, explores a narrative mirror from the past that illuminates the path forward in times of struggle. Surah Al-Qasas is part of the Trilogy of Guidance, revealed in succession during the Middle Meccan period. Together with Surah Ash-Shu'ara and An-Naml, it completes the full narrative arc of Prophet Musa's life. The title Al-Qasas translates to narrating in sequence. This surah offers a detailed, sequenced recounting of Prophet Musa's journey to dispel doubts about the prophethood of Muhammad ﷺ and counter the excuses of disbelievers. This surah reveals the unseen plan. Pharaoh sought to destroy the child who would end his reign, yet Allah's decree led Pharaoh to raise that very child. This shows the futility of fighting a divine plan. Prophethood comes unexpectedly. Prophet Musa merely sought fire to warm his family, but in that solitary moment, he was granted prophethood. The reflection is that the mission is not granted with the fanfare of kings. We learn the principle of strength in weakness. Prophet Musa stood alone against Pharaoh, who owned Egypt. This disparity illustrates that material power is an illusion. The victor is decided by Allah, not by the size of the army. The surah addresses the trap of miracles. The Quraysh questioned why Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was not given the staff and glowing hand like Musa. Yet those who saw Musa's miracles still did not believe, calling them magic. Miracles do not convince the arrogant. They only hasten divine judgment. Surah Al-Qasas acts as the silent mirror. As the story unfolded, every listener in Mecca recognized themselves. The past was answering the present, showing who represented the tyrannical Pharaoh and who represented the helpless Musa in their city. The narrative provides proof of the unlettered. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was unlettered, yet he recited 2,000-year-old history with precise accuracy. This detailed knowledge is undeniable proof that his teacher was the creator of history itself. This scene highlights the recognizing hearts. While the kin of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ met the message with insults, Christian strangers who visited Mecca heard the Quran and wept in recognition of the truth. The contrast shames the ignorant mockers. The root of denial for the Quraysh was economic fear. They believed abandoning idolatry would destroy their trade routes and their status as custodians of the Kaaba. Revealing their true concern was not doubt, but economic loss. Allah reminds them of the source of security. In a land of lawlessness, it was Allah who made the Haram a place of peace and prosperity. It is foolish to fear the loss of worldly gain when it is the Creator who provides the safety they enjoy. The surah presents the two paths. The Quraysh judge truth based on immediate worldly consequences, not intrinsic value. One path offers short-term status, the other offers eternal success. Truth cannot be embraced while enslaved to the fear of poverty. The summary of guidance includes 4 key principles: divine planning, prophethood arriving quietly, true power lying with Allah, and the ultimate victory of truth, just as Musa prevailed over Pharaoh. These stories for the future are not mere history, but guidance. The narrative of Musa becomes the comfort of Muhammad ﷺ and a light for all who follow.